Hello, so today we will do these crochet hair ties. So this is what it looks like in the end. I did one with white yarn, and now I will do one with gray because you can see better with gray yarn. I'm using 5mm hook, and you are going to need a hair tie. So first you are going to take your yarn, pull your hook like this, take your yarn, pull underneath the hair tie, and like this. So you will pull both strings through, and then you are going to place that string like this and make single crochets until you reach the first single crochet that we did. So you are just going to do this for the whole length of a hair tie. And remember to hold this bottom part of hair tie with your hand and make single crochet around it. When you are done, you are going to find this first single crochet, and we will make a slip stitch. And this is our first row. So for the next row, we are going to chain 2, and we are going to make 3 double crochets into the same loop. So chain 2 and then wrap over and find this first hole. It looks like this. It is a little bit hard to see on this yarn, but it looks like this. And then you're going to pull your hook through, wrap over again, pull through, pull through. And we are going to make 2 more double crochets into the same loop. So in each of these loops that we made in the first row, we are going to make 3 double crochets. Now the next one, 1, 2, and 3 into the same loop. And again, in the next loop, 1, 2, 3, and you just repeat this until you reach the last loop. Now I will do my last double crochet and find that chain 2 that we did in the first place and slip stitch into that chain 2 that we did. Now I'm going to chain 1 and cut the yarn, and I'm just going to pull yarn like this. You can cut it right here, or you can pull through some of these chains that we did. And now you just cut it, and this is it. And you have your hair tie. As you can see, it is pretty simple and easy to make this crochet hair tie. I hope you liked this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!